Okay, so hi, my name is Annabelle. Today I'm going to be opening Yowie Bites. Oh, these look amazing. And they say one animal plus puzzle piece. Awesome. Okay, can't wait to open it. Cool. Look at this. Whoa, they're so mini. They're so cute. So here's Rumble and Nap, I think. So it says you can get a polar bear, a grey wolf, a beaver, a river otter, a raccoon, a moose, a brown bear, a killer whale, American bald eagle, American crocodile. Wow, there's a lot of things you can get. A lot. Okay, can't wait to see what's inside. Whoa, cool. So I'm guessing the toy's inside of here. Here is the chocolate. Can't wait. Ooh, this looks amazing. It's so good. Really awesome. Now what's in here? There's a tear here, I'm pretty sure. What did I get? I think I got a bear. Brown bear, number 7. That's so cool. Here's my puzzle piece.